Alright, I took the cable car, so it costs $30 to come here per person for adults. I think I get a little bit of the a little ear block around here. So let's see what they've got. It's a beautiful day and another day in Rio. One thing it's really common here in Brazil, you can find this, the brand Chili Beans. They're selling for the sunglasses everywhere around the country. Very famous. Going to take another cable car and we will go up there. If you can see the mountain, that's called the Sugarloaf. That's a big one. Look amazing, right? And up here we have cafe. And of course they have the shop for Havaianas, very famous flip-flops and slippers or sandals, what they call it. And in Portuguese, I think they call chinelo. Chinelo. Havaianas. Look at this beautiful day. Yesterday was raining all day, so today I had a chance to come out and take some good videos. Wow. Looking cute. Wow, look at that.
Valeu, obrigado.
Cuidado, por favor.
Obrigado.
Man, it's gonna open here.
I think they're gonna close.
Oh. Oh, there's some cafe here. Wow, looking nice. Take a little break for lunch. So we have here now the homemade beer on top of the Sugarloaf, the restaurant. It's called Classical Sunset Club. So I'm gonna have some burger and enjoy the beer. Ting ting, saúde. The way back, I'm going to take this kind of bike back to my place. So Itaú bike, it's the Itaú is the bank in Brazil. So you need to download the application, and I did download and I pay per week. So per week cost me around like 12 reals local currency, and I can bike everywhere here for 8 hours. So you can just use your phone and you just put it in here, the QR code. They have two types of the bikes, which is the electronic. Here you can see some of the cool stuff here, which is I don't know, I never tried it yet. Or the manual bike, just like a normal bike. You scan the barcode, you pull the bike, and you're enjoying the ride. So let's have fun with the bike.